In this video, we're going to be taking a look at how to create an offer inside Kajabi. An offer is a price tag that goes along with a product. Let's jump in and let's get a little more clarity on how to actually create an offer inside Kajabi. Just a reminder to check out reviewonlinecourse.com. It's a collection of all my software reviews, the pros, the cons of each platform to help you decide which one's right for you. And just remember, if you decide to use any of my links to trial a platform like Kajabi, Thinkific, or Teachable, and so on, you get a free pair of Apple AirPods as my way of saying thank you. Check the description box below for more details. Anyways, back to the video. All right, here we are on the back end of Kajabi. You can see website, products, sales, marketing, people. You might think that actually you'll find offers under products, and you used to be able to. They have changed that now, if everything's still up to date, and you can find offers under the sales section. So if you click sales, offers will be the first thing you see. Now, there's a couple offers, as you can see, that I have. I've got like 100 offers, and that's okay. Have as many as you want. If we were talking about making a new one, creating a brand new one from scratch, let's just call it test, right? So we'll just call it test one. And let's pick a product to go along with it. We'll pick, let's say, shot shaping. I like that. All right, we'll use shot shaping as the product we're going to offer. And let's offer it for, I'm feeling good, let's go $4 today, right? So we're going to do a $4 offer. Okay, cool. Now hit the save button. If you don't know what you want to charge for the offer or the product, that's okay. You can always edit this later. You can change the price point at any point in time. So that's really cool. All right, so here we are, and this is what an offer, like back-end blueprint, looks like. You can go back to all the other offers right here, but you can see the stats, how many people have kind of purchased it, how many people have checked out your offer. There's an edit checkout. We'll come back to that at the end. There's a preview of what the offer looks like, because sometimes this is the back end. You can't really see what it looks like on the front end. You can grab the link. So if someone's like, hey, I'd love your product, can you send me to a checkout page? Just click this link and boom, you can actually just email it or text it to that potential customer. You can clone this offer, which is pretty cool. It makes it a little bit quicker. You can actually put in a description. You can add it, change your title at any point in time. Over here, you have a draft or a publish option. As you can see, ours is published. We can edit the price, as we talked about over here. Say, I changed my mind. It's selling pretty good. I'm feeling confident. Now I'm going $24 for it. And that's a one-time payment. You can see that Kajabi's already set you up. They got an option for Stripe and PayPal. They have multiple payments as an option. You can see now it's starting to customize as you change what type of payment plan you want to use. Kajabi already has that integrated for you. They already know what kind of questions to ask you. Multiple payments. Let's just say we're going to allow 2 payments of $12. And now I'm changing my mind completely. You know, I've had that up there for about 6 months. It's doing well, but now I want that reoccurring subscription model. And so I can take a look and click right here. I can create the new payment plan. I have a trial offer. I can give it to them for a month, maybe a couple days. So you get to see how awesome Kajabi is for when you're creating a price tag for a product, also known in Kajabi as an offer. So if we're going to click out of this, we're going to take a look at what else we can do. Well, we also have a bundling option. What does that mean? Well, we're offering this shot shaping product, correct? Well, if I wanted to add another product to this, like setup, now there's 2. I've bundled them together. So it was a $4 product before. I had a $4 offer on the shot shaping. Now I've added 2 more. I've added 1 more product. I have 2 in total. Now I'm offering it for $24. So this is a cool way to bundle your offers together. So you bundle the products together in order to create a separate offer. So you could have 1 product and 1 offer with that, another product and another offer with that, and then you could combine the 2 products and have 1 offer for those 2. So that's a cool way. You could put 3 or 4 or 5 digital products in here and offer it for $100. Bundling is just so cool because you get to condense it. I've had a lot of products where I've offered a couple things. I've completely changed the name of it, added a few extra products to it, and since it's completely renamed, it's a new product. And people have jumped all over that because remember, customer acquisition is a harder game than customer retention. So you already have customers that have bought from you. You might as well create another product for them to buy. That's an easier sell than it is to create a whole new audience and acquire a new customer. So just keep that in mind. Customer acquisition and customer retention. So we've got upselling. You can actually offer an upsell. So if you had another digital product, you say, hey, listen, guys, if you buy this, I got this awesome opportunity to do one-on-one coaching with me, etc. That's $300 price point. It's a cool option while they have their credit card out and they're interested in the buying process. They don't have to come back at a later date. They can kind of solve everything right there at checkout. Cart abandonment. Love this. Love this. Now, why do I love it? Well, I don't have the ability to follow up with every single customer that goes to an offer page or a checkout page and doesn't buy. So Kajabi will do it for me. 1 hour, 24 hours later, you get to pick. It will follow up with that customer or that potential customer and say, hey, noticed you left the cart. Come back. Come back and check us out. So an opportunity for automations right here. You can kind of if then this. And we have a after a purchase customization here, which is cool. You can send them a confirmation email, which is a default template, or you can actually send them to a thank you page. You can customize this as well. You can send them to like MailChimp, which is a third-party email provider. You can notify your team, hey, someone just bought the grandiose package from us. Let's all follow up as a team and say thank you. And even giving an affiliate commission for someone who actually sold your offer. They came in, boom, you can kick an affiliate commission to someone else who referred that to them or referred that traffic to you. That's really, really cool. You also have the ability to customize when the course starts, when it stops, when you turn it on and when you turn it off. So it can start on a specific date. How cool is that? You can actually pick the day. It could be like June 12th. You could just turn it on and boom, everyone that bought this offer will be able to see it on June 12th. That's a great way to kind of keep everybody kind of cattled together on the same process and the same in the same kind of school of thought. You guys are all working together. And then you can limit the purchase quantity. So you can tell them that, hey, listen, you can only buy one of these and two of these. So that can be relevant as well. And then also the ability to actually have a thumbnail that placed right here to kind of just a little customizable, make it a little sexy. Let's check out edit checkout. As I said, we would come back to that at a later date. This is your checkout. Now, you have the option to use the old look. I think both are good. This is kind of keeping everyone in one place. It's kind of like it's asking for the credit card details and everything like that right up front. I like the new checkout design. I think it's pretty simple. You just click on the card and everything just folds out. So I really like this. And you have the ability to like turn the banner on. If I click offer details, you can see I can put a new banner in. I can actually add a video, which will encourage someone to know a little bit more about my offer and what I'm offering. I can change the image. You can put the logo up here in the top left. You can insert all this kind of all the kind of incentives and the benefits that they get when purchasing this whopping $4 offer. And then at the end, just complete my purchase. So this is really, really awesome because there's a lot of customability here. Customability, is that even a word? There's a lot of customization as well. You can actually change this banner to fit your color scheme for what your website is. So all in all, that's a great way to create offers really easily. As you can see, I have a ton of them. And now these are price points. So a lot of these are the same product. As you can see right here in this frame, you can see there's a gold product, and gold product. Those are all the same products. What's different about them? Well, one's 180, one's 126, and one's 144. Why are they different prices? Because in different times of the year, I offer different sales. Like if it's 4th of July or it's Mother's Day or Father's Day, I offer those different price tag. So for those products. So if you get it at the right time, a $180 product you can get for $126 if you buy at the right time. So that's cool. This is like a Christmas discount plan. So what this is showcasing is an incredible opportunity to actually create multiple offers, 10, 15 offers for just one product. So you can make one product and have 15 different price points to sell it. So that's what I do with one of my membership sites, and it works like a charm. I have 3 products, and I've got let me say this. I have 1 product and I have 3 offers for that product, and it works marvelously. So I highly recommend when you're first starting, don't get too overwhelmed with creating too many digital products. Create one and create multiple offers on how to sell those. If you have any questions, leave them down below in the comment section. I always love to get back to you. I'll see you guys in the next video.